Hi, this is Trevor Kemp, and I chose Khan Academy as what I'm learning to use in my content area for math. I selected this because there were some Algebra 2 concepts that have changed or I didn't have when I was in high school, actually, that they learned in the new curriculum that we have that I struggled with a little bit just out in the book. So another uh, coworker recommended that I start using Khan Academy and to review material in a different way than other the book that gives some other resources. My goal or purpose is to teach myself better so I can teach my students better, help them learn the content uh, more and be more in depth with what I'm teaching them. The intended use for Khan Academy is for students and parents can use it. Students to try to get a more of an explanation on some videos if it's better than an explanation that I have for certain topics, and then parents if they're trying to help students or something like that, it gives them a place to look for resources so they can try to help their kids if they can a little bit better. So, kind of a step by step of Khan Academy. If you come, once you create your account, you can actually add a class, which I've just done because I'm new to this. I didn't know exactly, but I'm learning you can import a Google Classroom into there and assign resources to your students for a little extra work to help them. But the main part that I have come to see is going under courses and like Algebra 2 is what I've used it for. And once you get here, you can click through whatever your topic is. So if it's like polynomial division you're going over, or polynomial graphs, you click on zeros of polynomial introduction, and you can click on here, and it gives you a little bit of a video intro and several other supplemental videos. Plus, it gives you some practice problems that you can click through, which is very helpful to not only just see it done, but actually work through some extra problems. This is not just for math either. Khan Academy has other subjects, as you can see here. Okay, math and science and history and language arts and pretty much every subject. So it'll be useful for any teachers. This helps me meet the ISTE standards for education leaders 5A and 5C, which would be 5A's remaining current on emerging technologies for learning, advancements in learning sciences, and 5C is to use technology to regularly engage in reflective practices that support personal and professional growth. It helps me learn the subject and helps me become a better teacher by better learning my content in different ways so I can explain different ways to my students.